Welcome to this detailed walkthrough for using the trigger feature in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up a trigger for an animation, adding a level of interactivity and engagement to your presentation. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint opens, allow a few moments for the application to load fully, ensuring that all features are available for your work ahead. After PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you want to work on. Whether you are creating a new project or editing an existing one, open the file by double-clicking it from your recent documents or selecting it from your file menu. This step ensures that you have the correct presentation available and that you can see all the elements that you have already added. Once you have the presentation ready, move on to the specific object that contains the animation you wish to customize with a trigger. This could be any element in your slide, such as an image, a shape, or a piece of text that already has an animation effect applied. Take a moment to identify this object on your slide. The animation you have previously set up will soon be linked to an interactive action, so ensure the object is something you want to control with a trigger. With the targeted object selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the Animations tab. This tab houses all the animation controls and options available in PowerPoint, and it is crucial for accessing more detailed animation settings. Click on the Animations tab to reveal a set of commands that manage how animations are played, along with several customization options that make your presentation come alive. Within the Animations menu, look for the option labeled Trigger. Clicking on the Trigger button will open up a sub-menu filled with choices. This is where you set the conditions that will define how your animation behaves during the presentation. By using a trigger, you gain precise control, allowing the animation to commence only when you signal for it to start, rather than playing automatically. This can be useful in scenarios where you want to highlight particular aspects of your content at specific moments, ensuring that the audience remains focused on the information you're presenting. After clicking on the trigger option, you will be presented with various settings that allow you to define the interactive behavior of your animation. This is your opportunity to choose the method that best suits your presentation style. You can decide whether the animation should start when you click on the animated object, or perhaps when you activate another designated item on the slide. Taking the time to explore these options will enable you to create a more dynamic and engaging experience for your audience. To summarize, you launched PowerPoint and opened your presentation, then selected an animated object and navigated to the Animations tab. From there, you accessed the trigger options, and finally you were able to choose the appropriate trigger method that rationalizes when your animation starts playing. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to polish your presentation, making it interactive and engaging so that each part of your message is delivered at just the right moment. Enjoy experimenting with the trigger settings as you enhance your PowerPoint presentations with a refined level of control over your animations.